You've probably been using your whisk wrong since the first time you picked it up. Let me show you what I mean. Go. All 4 of these whiskers have the same amount of heavy cream in the exact same mixing bowl, and they're using the exact same whisks. The only difference, their whisking method. Joe here is using the side to side. Tim has a figure 8. Emily has perfected the loop. And Kate is using the stir. They're all going to whisk for exactly 30 seconds, and then we'll judge which method is the most effective. Whisks down, turn your bowls over. The clear winner, the side to side here. Why? Well, this whisking technique applies the most shear force to whatever you're whisking. Shear force is when 2 forces are acting on something in opposite directions. In this case, the whisk pulls the cream in one direction and then cuts right back against it. That's shear force. When using the side-to-side method like Joe, whipped cream comes to peaks quicker, your vinaigrette gets emulsified better, and your egg whites foam up faster.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.